Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. In the last video I made, I talked a bit about how I spent much of my Christmas holiday binge watching all 5 seasons of Slow Horses. For those of you that haven't seen it, it's a spy thriller set in London. And the main character is a brilliant guy called Jackson Lamb, played by Gary Oldman. He's in his late 60s. He's dirty, he's rude, he's not very social, but he's brilliant at his job. And he's basically a kind of anti-James Bond character. He's gloriously hard-bitten. If you describe a person as being hard-bitten, you mean that they're tough and cynical because of all the bad experiences that they've had to deal with in the past. They're not easily shocked. They don't really show much emotion. It's a word that's often used to describe spies, police officers, negotiators, journalists, criminals. So you might read about, for example, a murder that's so horrific that even the most hard-bitten police officers were shocked by it. Or you might read about how it's very difficult for the prison service to turn hard-bitten criminals around and turn them into respectable members of society. Maybe when you were at school, you had a few hard-bitten older teachers who'd been through everything, they'd seen everything, they'd had to deal with everything, and they didn't suffer fools gladly. And maybe, a bit like me, you like to imagine yourself as an essentially hopeful person, but experience has possibly taught you to be a hard-bitten realist. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use hard-bitten.